Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all will be doing well. Students, in today's video we will solve this question. First of all, we will rewrite it. 0.567 square minus 0.433 square divided by 0.567 minus 0.433. Students, we will divide it by using formula. As we know, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus a b. First value is a, second value is b. So it will become 0.567 plus 0.433 and 0.567 minus 0.433 divided by 0.567 minus 0.433. Students, as we know, both these values are same, so by cutting we will get only this 0.567 plus 0.433. By adding 7 plus 3 10 0 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4 4 6 10 0 1 carry, 4 1 5 5 5 10. Students, after decimal 3 digits, again here 3 digits, so final answer is 1. Students, I hope you have got it. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.